Thanks for joining this pre-cruise vlog of our time in Venice. Luckily, we left a very rainy Heathrow and flew to, well, a rainy Venice as well initially. But the sun came out for our day in Venice, and 2 days in Venice, which we were so grateful for.
You can feel that it's still the windy hand. So the wind comes inside the canal. This is the Grand Canal. Wow. Oh wow.
She had a pizza and I had an Aperol Spritz and Dave a beer for lunch right by the Grand Canal with a lovely view. And then we just potted around really in the afternoon, just followed our nose and had a good old walk around Venice. And that's what I highly suggest you do if you're going to Venice. Do some sort of water-based activity in the morning and then go wander. It's great fun. Second day in Venice today. We are going on a trip to some of the surrounding islands and I will show you them. And this is how close the bus stop is to the hotel. The hotel's there, the bus stop here. So close. And the 2 buses that take us right into Venice. I booked a day trip for us to Murano and Burano and Torcello on like a Viator kind of app. You could go on water bus, but the water buses were packed, like people were packed like sardines on them. And on these trips, you had lots of space to sit. So it was a no-brainer. And this trip was cheaper than a day pass on a water bus. So no-brainer. So we're on a boat trip to the islands of Murano, Burano and Torcello. There's an upstairs as well, but everyone is upstairs. And we have our own luxury balcony for the next week, so we're like, nah, we'll stay inside. Right at the front. Island was Murano, and we were taken to a glass blowing factory and shown a demonstration.
Glass is mainly made of silicate sand, potassium and sodium. After melting them for 8 hours, we obtain a transparent glass. Notre maître Marc va vous faire maintenant la démonstration de deux entre les plus importants.
This is our boat for the day. And this is the glass factory they took us to. We then all got back onto the boat and were sailed round to Burano, the most beautiful little island. It's famous for lace making and it's an island of fishermen and beautiful, colourful houses. Let me show you. soon back in Venice in the evening. We went to a pizza place for our dinner, recommended by the gentleman who ran the electric boat tours. And the pizza was lovely. It's really nice. And just like that, our 2 days in Venice pre-cruise had come to an end. But the end of our short break, but the beginning of our cruise. So, next vlog, I bring you embarkation day onto Silversea's Silver Dawn. Thank you for watching.